Hey guys, and we're back on trading on a Monday. This is now 2 p.m. And we're about 4 hours, no, 6 hours into the Tokyo session and about another hour in before the London session, just to give you a rough time frame of when this was recorded. And I'm just going to go through my usual, which is the current 6 trades on the screen here, as well as that's for maintenance, and then the rest to look for any openings. Okay, so and I'm just going to go through my normal trading, trading journaling, which is on the screen here in the bottom right corner, and you can just see how I do it. So, looking at the AUDJPY right now, which is line number 1, we're just basically going to check if there's an exit signal, if there's any indication on the ASH return or the yellow line, which is the Super Richie index. So, going through it, seems pretty healthy. So, the ASH line actually doesn't. Oh wait, hold on. What did it say on Friday? On Friday it did turn, didn't it? No, it didn't. Okay. So this is still indicating that it's a blue, which I'm writing in a blue color. But the yellow line's still there. However, this turned on Friday. So we're gonna stay in it because we could be looking at another drop from here on out. So this one stays. Okay. I'll move on to the AUD yen. We're about 240 pips into our trade, which is really good. Everything looks solid. So ASH looks solid, which is the absolute strength histogram. Directly 3 bars underneath the yellow line, so that's good as well. Any exit signals? No. Okay, so we're looking good there. Looking great. CAD. Same thing, no exit signals. The ASH is red, and it's way below there too. We're also 223 pips in, very strong. Let's just note that down there too. 223 pips in. We're about 250 pips here, very solid. And AUDJPY, we're about 71 pips in. So everything's looking great so far. Bit of a pushback on the Swiss yen here. So, histogram, exit, no. Histogram, we're in, and so everything still looks good. Obviously the cloud is indicating an upturn, but we don't look at the cloud. That predicts future. VFP from no-nonsense forex, the trading plan that we follow, says that we should not do that. Follow any indicator that so I don't know why I have that there, but it's just there as a third confirmation, but not really used. I'll replace it soon, but it's just there. So we will stay in this trade. So it's out of our favor, so we're going to put a minus 82 here. 82. And now we've got Euro Swiss, 205 pips in. See, all these trades are really good right now. Any exit indicators? Oh, so it told us to exit on the 16th. Exit on 16th, but we're always in a down trade, so we don't do anything here. Now, what usually happens in here is, as soon as there's an exit indicator, we should. So let me just do this one first. Exit indicator equals, what we usually do is make the break even, set the break even lower. So Euro Swiss, am I up in that in my normal trades? Euro Swiss, I kind of am. So I've already moved that. I moved the stop loss already to 63 pips. Now I can move it a lot more. I can move the stop loss now to about 156. Break even. Nope. So stop loss. Wait, am I still on the screen here? So it's a bit off screen now, but I'm writing down here that the stop loss will be moved to 156, which is the top of candle. Okay, because if anything, you shouldn't get that high. So that's where we're in now. That's locked in, and that's locked in at $48 too as well. So wait, pups. No, we lost. Oh, take profit. Actually, that should be a take profit. Whatever. No, never mind. And last we got the euro yen. Again, healthy number, 124 pips in. Any exits? No. Ash, yes. Under histogram, yes. So all 6 trades are completely heavy. You know, ooh, what's wrong with this? There you go. The focus is horrible, isn't it? Anyway, I won't play too much around that. You can get a glimpse of it there. It's good understanding. This is all for myself anyways, so no biggie. So moving on to opportunities now. So USD, high potential. So we're just waiting for it to close on the yellow line. So now that's a 1 signal. Again, that's a 1 signal. Waiting for it to close under. CAD, well, what are we waiting for you to do? This is a different one. Hold on, what the hell has gone here? Let's widen this up for a look at it. So, wow, the moment it dropped, it just dropped. And it did close below there. So that really should be an entry, but that's just, it's too big of a move to enter. Way too big of a move. And when there's a big move like that, what's likely to happen is it's going to do a big correction. So I'm worried. I'm definitely worried about this one. I'm not prepared for something like this too, especially when it's been consolidating for so long. Look at it. It's just been just consistently being here, and it just does a big dip. I do not want to follow that. Even though my signal, my trading plan says to go in, I do not want to follow that. It's way too big of a move. We haven't seen that in days. Going back, banging out the chart. This has not happened for a very long time. And see here, we've got a big dip here. Boom. Big up here. Boom. So every big movement like that, it always goes in the reverse. Big dip here. Continues to go down. Okay then. Okay then. So this told us the entry here. Prepare for entry. Signals opened. So in back testing, it would have told us to exit right here. So we would have been in about, we would have entered here, entered on this one, entered on this close. No, we wouldn't have entered on this close. We would have entered on this close and exit here. So that's hard to say if it was going to be a safe or not, because we don't exit directly on the exit. Oh, this is pain. Nah, it's too big of a move. Don't want to chase it, especially when I'm already in 6 good trades. It's risky. Let's move on. Oh, why does it do this? Come on. Where's the price gone? Okay. So we're waiting for a down trade move, waiting for it to hit the yellow line. It hasn't, closed underneath, so that's just a 1 signal. And now everything else should be already in a trend. Pretty straightforward. Oh wow. Oh wow, we have movement right here. We have a trade movement right here. Histogram indicates going in. Everything points to going in. Let's go in. It all looks good. 0.01. Ding 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 ding. Now how we want to set it? Parabolic. And we're going to match exactly with that. With a 214. 214. Bam balam. Done. Now we write that into our trade plan. Okay. So we've entered. We entered a Euro CAD. Let's write that down properly. What else do we write down for right now? Oh, that's right, the pips. So 214 by 214, and that price winning is gained is $24. $24.17. $24.17. All right, well noted. Let's see other potentials. So uptrend, uptrend, downtrend. This has a similar movement to that one. Really don't like the looks of that. Yeah, I don't like the looks of that. And we'll move it as well. We'll move it to the Great British Pound. So basically anything with a euro. Was it euro? No, anything with pound. So something must have happened with the pound. What did we say was going to happen with the pound? The pound would have gone higher because of what? They're no longer doing the queen on the pound. So that's the issue. That's wrong. The pound dropped. The pound dropped. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that's very interesting news. Just sending a message to my partner because she actually wanted to buy some pound dollars. More of like a sentimental thing, just because she thinks it's the last ones that will have the queen on them. I just laugh, but whatever. It's nice to let her know that okay, the price is going to go down. You shouldn't have bought it, and she didn't too because I actually had the right advice. I was thinking no way, no way, no way the price will go up, because that's exactly the opposite of what the markets will do. I actually saw that coming. I am very surprised. I just didn't know when, and that's something that VP always says too. When something's going to happen, it will always happen the opposite way first. You just don't know when. So people would have been buying that up, buying that up, and then it will drop. But then again, it's hard to say because also the euro dropped. But it's definitely affected by the pound. The pound has definitely had some big movements, which is why we want big on. We want an any pound. No, get damn it. Anyway, so we're dragging off topic a lot here. I am sorry. Let's get into it again. Uptrend, down. So I see no opportunities with these ones, so I'm just flicking through them quickly. They're all showing the same things. They're all showing a deep downtrend. And obviously the British pound has just messed up everything today. It is just such a big movement. Again, everything is in the down, 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 down. And that's it. That's all the trades for today. Sorry this video was a bit longer, but I know, it's normal time, 15 minutes. Okay. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.